Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023. The SEC brings farmers and suppliers to soy food customers.
Android apps release of Grain Feed and Milling Magazine.
For apprentice milling courses starting on January 16, 2023.
Argyle appoints Brian Sykes as President and Chief Executive Officer, and Dave McLennan as Executive Chair of the Board.
Legrand joins panel at FENAVI's National Poultry Congress.
Second in Aaronic French Award for Matthias Corian of Belgium.
The price of pulses is increasing due to the increase in import costs.
Gopal Ganjay advance on an increase in farmers' income. Agraha Yan Zaman will satisfy Kartik's hunger in Hattar.
A regular advertiser. Grain Tech Bangladesh 2023, exclusive media partner Grain Feed and Milling Magazine. Thanks for watching.